this. A rough looking thing of a car. But first, we'll have a slight introduction of what it is and where we all started. So it's a 1998 BMW 5 Series. Equipped with almighty M51 D25 TDS engine and 5-speed manual. Interior, it's a half leather with carrot seats. Although being grimy, it's in pretty good shape. So where did it all started? It started in January 5th, 2022. While doing the daily dose of Facebook Market Board checkup, I came across this thing. It was cheap, and a state, and a diesel, and it still had an inspection for a week. So we went to take a look at it, and I bought it. Maybe not the best purchase I have done, but at the time I was moving and the car served well for it. I drove it around for a bit, but it had a lot of issues and failed inspection miserably. So that's where it has been since. But let's do a walk around. It's not the prettiest sight. Let's go over at some of the issues on the car. And first is rust. Bonnet, fender, doors, rocker panels, wheel arches, boot lid, to name some of the spots. Then there are a few other bits, like boot lid not having any struts at all. And like main boot lid not opening. And a missing fan shroud. Some sketchy piping. And no AC. And got quite a few bits and pieces. Like this trim piece. And overall it needs good clean. And that's gonna be what I'm gonna start on, at least on the driver's side. And a neat little trick I have found with dirt and sand trapped in the carpeting is to use a wire brush to lift it up. And here is the finished product. And after giving the hood release cable trim piece a wipe down, it's ready to be installed. Gonna be starting off with the first repair of finishing installing the trim and the handle for hood release. There has to be a way of installing it. Finally, a great success. Now it's just a matter of installing a weird plastic clip, fitting the handle itself, bolting it down using T27 Torx bit, and now we get to try it and admire our work. And can't forget about the side trim, which is held in place by 3 plastic clips and can be pushed, bashed in place. Just make sure to align the plastic clips before bashing it though. Here we have a look over. But before going further, it's gonna be a slight change as I swap from recording on my phone to coding with my action camera. Hopefully the quality is still decent enough. Let's carry on. We still need to fit the trim under the dashboard. After giving that a quick wipe down, it's ready to be installed. Just make sure to install back the speaker. After a little time of confusing thinking. Have I told how much I love flimsy plastics? Finally, finishing touches. And let's have a look over what we did. And this car has a long way to go to be roadworthy, but I think we will manage. Hopefully. Although this is gonna be an end to the first episode, but no worries, we have a lot of work to do on this car. To name a few upcoming videos: a fender painting and replacing, as well as the bonnet, an alternator and more, so don't miss out.